హలో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఆట ఆడుకుందామా? ఈరోజు మనందరూ ఆడుకోవడం కోసం మీకోసం చాలా వస్తువులు తీసుకొచ్చాను. చిన్నపిల్లలు ఆడుకుంటే బయట దొంగతనం చేసి తీసుకొచ్చేసాను మీకోసం. ఇవన్నీ కూడా డిఫరెంట్ బ్లాక్స్. వీటితో ఆడుకున్నాం ఈరోజు, సరేనా? రెడ్ బ్లాక్, ఎల్లో బ్లాక్, ఇది కూడా డార్క్ ఎల్లో, ఇది ఒక లైట్ ఎల్లో, ఇది ఒక రెడ్ కలర్ బ్లాక్స్. ఎలా ఆడుకుందాం ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. వీటన్నిటిని ఇలాగ సరదాగా పెడదామా? ఇలా ఉంచినప్పుడు వీటి మీద నేను ఏదైనా ఫోర్స్ ఇలా అప్లై చేశాను అనుకోండి. ఇఫ్ యూ అప్లై ఫోర్స్ ఎఫ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఆన్ దీస్ బ్లాక్స్, వాట్స్ హ్యాపెనింగ్? ఆల్ ద బ్లాక్స్ ఆర్ మూవింగ్ as a single block. All the blocks are moving as a single block. How can you say that they are acting as a single block? Because displacement of all the blocks is same, acceleration of all the blocks is same. That's why we can treat all the blocks as a single block. Let us see the acceleration of the system, means all the blocks now. If I apply a force F from left to right, what is the acceleration of the system? Yeah, as we have studied already, F is equal to m into A is equal to F by m. Here m means net mass. What is the net mass? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5. 5 blocks are there. We have to add the mass of 5 blocks. That's why acceleration of the system A is equal to F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5. Now I am going to apply the same force from right to left. Let us see what happens. Same force I am applying. Now also acceleration of the system is A is equal to F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5. But the only difference is direction of motion. In the previous case it was moving from left to right. In this case it is moving from right to left. That's all. As the force is same, mass is also same, acceleration is same. Now let us see, I am going to reduce one block. Now I am going to apply force. Same force, but what is the difference? There is some difference in acceleration. Why? In this case, let us say the acceleration is A1, which is equal to F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4. As M5 is missing, we should remove this. M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4. If you apply the same force in this direction, and also the acceleration is F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4. If I reduce one more block, now you tell me, what is the acceleration when it is moving left right and right to left? Yes, you are right. Now if I reduce one more block, now tell me what is the acceleration? Yeah, you are right. If I reduce one more block, same force, but there is some difference in acceleration. As the mass is reduced, what happened here? What you observed? Acceleration is increased. Is it clear? Now, if I place a block like this, and like this, and for example like this, now if I apply force, so what is the acceleration for the same force? Same. So it is independent upon the shape of these blocks, whatever may be the shape, like this, the acceleration is the same. It depends upon the mass. Is it clear? See, if force F, capital F, is acting on this is moving. Why this object is moving? Because some force other than capital F is acting on this yellow block. That's why this is moving. The force which is acting on this yellow block is known as our contact force. What is the contact force? Because of which this yellow block is moving when the actual force is acting on red block. Is it clear? So what it is? Next question. If capital F force is acting on this block, means this capital F force is acting on these two blocks, red block and yellow block. But this red block is also moving because of some application of force acting on red block. So what is the force acting on this red block? That is called as our contact force. If another system is like this, there are three blocks, M1, M2 and M3. If a force capital F is acting on this red block, what is the force acting on this small yellow block? That is say F1. What is the force acting on this big yellow block? That is say F2. These two are also our contact forces. If the same force is acting from left side, means on the yellow block, big yellow block, what is the contact force here? That is F1. What is the contact force in between yellow and red blocks? F2. So we have to calculate this. So based on my previous examples, I hope you can answer this. Otherwise, I am going to make the mathematical calculation